Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn advertisement. This is the topic which we have completed in class 11th, but it comes in board examination as well. Therefore, we are going to repeat the entire process of drafting advertisement. Students, this is not a new topic for us because we are surrounded by advertisements. Yes or no? When we open the newspaper, there we see advertisements. When we switch on to the channel of television, we see advertisement. Alright? Magazine, books, even in our society walls, we see advertisements. So, we have to understand what are the mistakes that we need to avoid in order to get full marks in examination. So all those things we will discuss here in this video. Students, there are two types of advertisements. One is classified one, another one is commercial. Classified one is very short advertisements and it should be very descriptive in nature. It should require very precise words because for each space we have to pay to the publisher. So it should be short and very informative. Let's come to the commercial one. Commercial one does not have any rules and regulations. Commercial advertisements are for making money. Okay, therefore they can use any shape, any size, any font, any design to attract more and more audience. Now we will move to the things that we should keep in mind while drafting it. Both the advertisements should be within the box, but there are more rules and regulations for classified advertisement compared to commercial one. So let us see what are the things that we should remember. The box should be 2.5 inch at the top, and at the bottom you can extend it, you can elongate it as much as you want. Okay, I will show you one of the examples. See here, the box should look like this. And number 2, write in its category. It means if the advertisement is regarding situation vacant, we have to write it in that particular place. Okay, so the content will also differ. I will discuss each and everything in this video, don't worry. Let us see the next point. Less space, more economical. Classified advertisements are made for informing people. Okay, so we are going to be very specific while making it. Next point is use short phrases. We are not allowed to use entire sentence. If we will do that, it becomes very lengthy and we have to pay more. Therefore, it should be very short, simple and concise. And there is no such restrictions for commercial advertisement. You can have it of any size, you can use any font, as I have already told you. Let me show you the first mistake that students do. See, number 1, the first box is not at all accepted in CBSE for advertisement. Second one and third one are narrow, and this is how you see advertisement in the newspaper, right? So we are going to follow this, and please students rectify your mistake. Students, these are the different categories under which we draft advertisement for classified section. Let's see the requirement of each category one by one. Let's see the first category, and this is situation vacant. Here, students, when you start writing the content, the first word should be in capital letter, okay? Wanted or required. Then you will mention name of the post, number of posts, qualification, preferences, salary, scope of promotion, if any. Then comes application, interview date, and organization's name, address, and contact number. Your advertisement should look like this. Everyone, go through it. Let's move to the second category now. At the top you have to write to let, and then you will mention whether it is a shop or a house. Then description, number of bathrooms, number of bedrooms, size of the accommodation, etc. Facilities, rent expected, preferences, contact address and phone number. This is an example, students. Let's move to the third one now, students, and this includes so many categories. First, property, vehicle and household goods. If we have to sell apartment, then land, okay, anything, all right, then we categorize it into property. Then vehicle, if you want to sell vehicle, used vehicle, new vehicle, you have to mention these details. Then comes household goods like fridge, TV, bed, okay, or any other item. Then you have to follow this particular category of classified advertisement. I have added one example for you all students. Accordingly, you can draft other advertisements as well. The main thing is that content should be very much clear. Let's move to the next one, and that is education. Now students, for education, you can draft both the advertisements, classified and commercial, but you have to see in the question, alright, in which category it is asked. So first thing will be name of the institution, courses offered, eligibility conditions for the students, facilities, fee structure, the last date of registration, prospectus, contact address and phone number. Here is an example, you can go through it. Just like education, this fifth one can also be written in classified advertisement as well as in commercial one. Okay, so if we are writing it in the classified section, we have to mention package, destination, duration, food, board, lodging, cost and discount, travel agency, address and phone number. Here is an example, students. Students, if you have found something or if you have lost something, both the advertisements will be under the heading lost and found. You cannot just write lost only or only found, alright. So let me show you one example. This category should begin with lost and found, especially the item lost or found, then description of the item and rewards if any, then contact address and phone number. So in this way we write advertisement for found as well, only the content will differ. Okay, let's come to the last category, and that is missing person or pet. If it is person, we have to describe name, age, height, complexion and health, then identification mark and clothes. If it is pet, name of the pet, breed, color, fur, etc. Then these things will be common for both. Time and place of missing, rewards if any, contact address and phone number. Let me show you examples, students. See here, students, missing person and pet missing. In both the advertisements I have included their details and then contact address and all the requirements that is asked by this category. Okay, by this we have completed classified one. Let's move to the commercial one now. Students, commercial advertisement should be very attractive, and this is the only criteria of it. There is no problem if you use different fonts, different kind of boxes, alright, but it has to be alluring so that people can come and get attracted towards the product. Don't forget to mention the place or the website from where people can order for your product. I hope the topic is clear to everyone. If you have any questions, you can drop a message. We will meet in the next video. Thank you everyone.